Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. This is going to be a freebie alert video and it is my April's edition of feelunique's pick and mix sample service. And this is what it looks like. It comes in an envelope like this. Sometimes it comes in like a bigger envelope, like a cardboard one, but no, this is what it looks like. So inside here are 5 beauty samples that are essentially free. You just pay £3.95 postage and packaging. Plus, once you receive your items, you will have that £3.95 credited back onto your account, be able to use towards any beauty purchases off the feelunique website, which I think is amazing. So these freebies are free, plus you have £3.95 off whatever you decide to purchase if you do. Plus you can accumulate a few of the £3.95s over a couple of months, I believe. So, you know, it's worth it. It's worth checking out, definitely. You can only do it once a month, so if you sign up on the 1st of April, you're not able to do it until the 1st of May. Now, some samples are better than others. There's a massive list there, 10 to 12 pages, full of different samples. You've got categories down the side of the page, so if you want perfumes, makeup, skincare, hair care, you can click on those. And also you can click on the sort of type of samples you want, like pots, sachets, things like that. So I tend to sometimes look at the pots because the pots tend to be bigger samples, and we have had some amazing samples in the past. We have got a product in here which I'm so excited about. I wasn't sure what size it would be, but it's 3.8 grams, and I was thinking it could be a tiny little sample, and it is a sample, but it's a nice sample. I'll show you in a minute. To be able to access the pick and mix service, you need to sign up for feelunique's newsletter, and you've got your own account then. Just click on the top of the page, type in pick and mix, and it'll come up there. So there's no particular dates that samples are released. They're released all throughout the month, really. Sometimes it could be weeks and weeks without any new samples. There's samples on there that have been on there for about a year or so. It's a bit potluck if you were to go on there and see some nice samples. Fortunately for me this month, I don't know how I did it, but I managed to actually go on there not long after they released these products. And I know one of you has told me that you were on there the day before and you did your order and none of these were on there. And unfortunately now you have to wait another month to do it, or unless you have extra emails, but I shouldn't really say that because that's a bit naughty, isn't it? But never mind, shh. So yeah, so definitely a service that you just dip in and out whenever it takes your fancy and have a look. It's basically a try before you buy. You're getting samples, they are free, so you're not going to expect to have amazing, you know, big products or anything to try like that. So I think it's worth it. Some months I can't find anything, so I tend to opt for all perfume samples, which is always handy. But yeah, but no, over the last couple of months, I think I've managed to find some really nice items. So enough of me blabbing on. If you're interested in taking this out for yourself, then I will add links down below. So click on the show more and that'll bring up the description and it will all be down there. Now with the samples, there's no information that comes with them. So they don't tell you the price of the full size items and they don't give you any background information. They just send you the samples and it's for you to have a look online to have more information. But anyway, the first item I got is a Jane Iredale, I think that's how you say it, Pure Lash Extender and Conditioner. Now, this is a teeny tiny one, but for your lashes, this size is quite nice actually because it will last quite a while. So I've tried, is it the Bourjois? They did the double-ended one where one end was white and you apply that first and then let it set and then you apply the black mascara on and it's supposed to like lengthen and thicken your lashes and that. Well, yeah, I thought it's like that. So as you can see there. But I thought I'd give that a go. I've never heard of the brand name though. So no, so that's the first item. I'll save the better ones to last. So the next one is Evolve Organic Beauty. And this is a hyaluronic serum. And that's what that looks like there. I can't remember too much about this actually, but I think because it was 5 mils I went for it, and I love hyaluronic acid, so I thought hyaluronic serum. So I thought I would give that a little go. A lovely little pot. Not much to see, just a clear gel. You might not see anything in there. No, I'm not going to tip it out because it's quite liquidy. But yeah, so that's a hyaluronic serum. So that's my second item. Next we got the most gorgeous little cute Emma Hardy, and it's Moringa Cleansing Balm, and this is 5 grams. Look how cute that is. Now I've had mini ones of these, I think they're 15 grams maybe, but I've never had one so small, but it's so cute. If you've never tried this cleansing balm, It is lovely. It is really, really nice. It just melts onto your skin and gets your makeup off beautifully. I do really like it. So when I saw this, I thought, right, I'm going to get another one. And yeah, I might keep that and use it for when I go to Amsterdam next month. It's nice, it's nice. But no, really happy with that. And then number 4 then, we've got a bigger sample, and this is by First Aid Beauty, and this is 28.3 grams. And this is Facial Radiance Polish. Help exfoliate, brighten and purity. Safe for sensitive skins. And does it say anything else? Dampen your face and dispense a small portion of polish onto fingertips. Delicately massage into all zones of the face. Rinse with warm water. Use daily. So there, so I think I had, where is it? I had that one in, was it last month's one? I think I had it. And I love this. It's like a CC cream, like a tinted cream. First Aid Beauty is a really nice brand actually. I've tried quite a few of their products, but I don't think I've tried this cleanser. So no, I'm really happy to try that. And that's a good size. That's a really good size. And then lastly, it's my shock sample. It's a NARS bronzer. And I was really shocked when I saw this size. This is 2.5 grams. It said 3.5 on the website. But anyway, and this is in shade Laguna. Now samples like these tend to go fast. If I see any good samples on the feelunique website, or if someone has messaged me to say, Claire, take a look, there's so-and-so on the website, then I will post straight away onto my Facebook page, which is Diaryofabeautygeek, so I can show you all as well. So you're welcome to take a look there, but that is what the bronzer looks like. Look, oh, it's got a little mirror. Let's take that off. And there, that's what it looks like there. Can you see? Gorgeous shade, really lovely. It's got a very subtle sort of shimmer to it. Very, very, very subtle, which is lovely for like summertime. Now I don't tend to use like shimmery bronzers. I like matte bronzers because I got fine lines all around here. So, you know, I apply highlighter and I don't really want a, you know, a bling in bronzer as well, because it's just going to show all my imperfections out like dramatically. But no, I'm really liking this one. I'll just show you there. It's quite light as well. It's not a dark one, so it's nice and buildable. Another one I like. I've never tried NARS. Besides lipstick, I don't think I've tried anything with NARS before. But no, I love that one. You might not be able to see. There's only a very slight shimmer to it. It is lovely. So that's the 5th item. So those are my free samples for April. We've got the Evolve Hyaluronic Serum. We've got the NARS Bronzer, First Aid Beauty Facial Polish. We've got the Emma Hardy Cleansing Balm. And we've got the Jane, I can't remember her name. Iredale Pure Lash Extender and Conditioner. That's the one. So no, I am really chuffed with those. Really, really happy. As always, I'd love to know your thoughts. Have you picked up some amazing samples this month so far? Or are you holding out to see if any more come up as the month goes along? I'd love to know. Let me know down below. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, more freebie alerts, beauty unboxings, beauty reviews and a few travel vlogs, not many, but now and again, then I'd love you to subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.